How to maximize profits on a house flip. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. When it comes to real estate investing, a house flip is a great way to go. It is also a rather bold move for many who are considering this as a first-time real estate investment. You can minimize the risk while maximizing the profit potential by following a few guidelines. Before we get into how to succeed at house flipping, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Here's how to maximize profits on a house flip. 1. Have an inspection. There are many people who enter into a property flip situation without ever having had a valid and complete inspection of the property made. This means you could be doing work that will be needed to be undone at some later point in the process. You should avoid this situation if at all possible, and it is easily done by having a thorough inspection. There will almost always, however, be some unanticipated surprises along the way. 2. Establish a budget and stick with it. Most people flipping houses plan a budget. Unfortunately, very few actually stick to the budget they originally established. It is a good idea to leave a little wiggle room in your budget for unexpected emergencies, but be firm on the spending limits for specific projects. If you go over on these projects, eliminate something elsewhere in order to save money. 3. Consider the target buyer when making adjustments. You must understand when purchasing a house to flip that you are buying the house for someone else, and you need to make adjustments, changes, and improvements according to what your target market demands, expects, and can afford to absorb the costs of you adding. It doesn't matter how beautiful you've made the house if no one is willing to live in the neighborhood can afford your asking price when it is all said and done. 4. Remember that this is a business situation, and don't refuse to consider offers that will net you a profit just because the profit isn't as good as you'd like. A house sitting empty on the market accrues carrying costs and is ripe for all manner of disasters. You want to get in and out as quickly as possible so that you can free up your investment to move on to the next project. Entertain all offers seriously, even if they aren't what you were hoping for. You never know when one might be the best you're going to get. 5. Don't take it personally. Once again, a home is a very personal thing to most people. While you may have worked very hard selecting colors, materials, and flooring, not everyone is going to share your tastes. Do not alienate potential buyers by attaching personal emotions into the mix and getting angry because they do not appreciate your hard work. It happens a lot more than you might think when flipping houses. 6. Spend as little money as possible when making bold changes. This is the best way to maximize your profits. You want the changes to be visible and effective. Don't overlook the value of curb appeal. You need to put serious effort into improving the exterior of the home as well as the interior because this is what people see first, and the appearance will invite them to take a look at what you've done inside. Little changes make a big improvement in the value of a home. Make the necessary changes and sell the house as quickly as possible in order to bring in the best possible profits. If you want to learn how to find real estate deals, BirdDogBot can help. It's a software that helps investors find deals more quickly and efficiently. It also provides daily updates so you can evaluate current market conditions and real estate trends to make your investments safe by all means. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.